Prague, the city of 100 spires, medieval, golden, and utterly alive. And nobody is telling you its real story. Overpriced group tours that crowd you onto Charles Bridge for 10 minutes, then march you past the astronomical clock before you've even looked up. Prague is a city that rewards those who slow down, not those who keep pace with a flag on a stick. Uvamai's Prague self-guided audio tour gives you 21 of the city's most iconic landmarks, with expert audio narratives that unlock the legends, the royal secrets, and the hidden layers of 1,000 years of Bohemian history. For just $6, your private access link arrives directly to you, professional audio guides, and an interactive map ready when you are. No group, no rushing, Prague at your pace for up to 6 days. Stand on Charles Bridge at dawn and finally understand why it was built precisely here and what the 30 Baroque saints lining its edge are trying to tell you. Step into Old Town Square and hear the legend of the astronomical clock and the clockmaker who was blinded so he could never build another. Look up at Prague Castle and grasp why it is the largest ancient castle complex on Earth. Cross into the Jewish Quarter and feel 8 centuries of extraordinary history press around you. Discover the Dancing House, the Powder Tower, Petrin Hill, Wenceslas Square, and a dozen more layers of this extraordinary city, all at your own pace, all in your own language. 21 stops. Your Prague. Your story. Travelers across 111 cities worldwide choose Uvamai because they want to actually feel Prague, not just photograph it. Stories that make every stone speak, real discovery, real freedom. $6. 21 Prague landmarks, 1,000 years of stories. Get your access link now at uvamai.com.